Alex Han Solo here. So what do we have going on? Um, you know, today's feeling a little bit more bullish than last night. We hit some of these levels that we wanted to touch. We're starting to see some things turn up. This was the, you know, ceiling. Now it's the floor, hopefully around 56. Um, how many times have we tried to touch that? One. This is kind of two. This could be our bounce to 60. We were at 58 yesterday, so this could take us to 60 and beyond if this is not a bearish week. It's Tuesday now. Where did we start? We started here. Um, Maybe I want to bring on some Bollinger Bands just to kind of get a feel for things. I haven't really used those much, but maybe there's a Bollinger Band strategy. Oh, chart artist maybe. 27,000 people use this. Let's look at that. So yeah, we are totally at the top of that Bollinger Band. Um, and so where's our potential bottom of that? 38. Um, but look how October looks green compared to September on this momentum. You do see these greens kind of tapering down, and we haven't really had a big red in October yet. Um, Feels a little unnatural to have this much green without too much red. We see Ethereum dominance potentially turning up. Well, here we have the RSI Bollinger Band strategy indicator showing on the 3-hour. So that's helpful to see there. And we do see a bit BTC dominance trailing down, hopefully a whole percentage point. That would be nice. So it's looking pretty bullish compared to last night. As far as what's going on here, we haven't really touched this level, but we're so close to it. Though I'm going to not entirely base everything on USDT. We do see that contraction here, along with this correction, so hopefully it corrects down. Let's see, CTX, decent sell. Sold yesterday at 32 about. And we'll kind of hopefully see this trail down and maybe add some in. XTZ is working its way up. Near still looking at its, maybe it's turning over here. SKL, maybe turning over here. And when I say turning over, I'm kind of just playing it for a day. SHIB did have a nice drop, so I'm happy I got out of that. Leash is up pretty significantly. SHIB should bounce from here, probably, I would imagine. Maybe after it bounces off this, it probably has to pass through this buy zone to capture it. But GRX, yeah, it's a little early of a sell yesterday, up 1 cent. I could probably get back in here. Or actually, no, yeah, it's right at yesterday's entry or yesterday's exit. Could have tried to catch a dip at minus 5%. Link long. You see this trying to work its way up. which it looks like it can, that would be a big jump. Kind of what I was looking for. Maybe some targets there if they're not already there. That'd be cool. And then Luna 3L. Also got a small indicator there. Kind of passed through this red, so we are close, guys. This is the week we've been calling. We can't get too scared of what happened. The drop happened Sunday and Monday. Tuesday's holding. Didn't wake up to huge red. So, we got some targets up here. Now, let's see, here's leash. Had a really nice pop, 15% overnight. Excess working its way up. Real estate working its way up on the day. Not crazy drops. SLP probably going to get back up to 8 today, which would be nice. SPY might be hitting some ceilings here. We want to try to get it above that. But we got that red momentum turning over. What is going on here? People only want to sell at this level right here. So, SPY is not looking the best. It's like the tech stocks of the S&P 500. And they're doing good. We're pretty bullish. Right in the middle of the Bollinger Band here, below this level that we've been resisting in July. Broke past it through August. Now, kind of hit that ceiling in October. So we do need to pass up above that to stay bullish for the year. I would imagine for us to be bullish through November and December in the crypto space, we need to be pretty bullish here, unless we have that decoupling, which if we keep printing dollars, we'll probably have. So comp worked its way up nicely from 289 up basically 10% overnight. So I'm glad I didn't sell that yesterday. This might be a good add-in actually on comp for a nice 10% pop. So as far as where should we add back in from what we took out last night, about 8%, probably some comp, maybe mostly Ethereum, just in case. Yeah, see here we're hitting this as a ceiling now, but we do have this green volume you should be able to pass still. We haven't captured this green volume down here. Haven't really tested this red line. Had this target back here, October 6th, that we haven't really touched yet. We got close a couple times. Hopefully we don't have to touch it, because if we do, we'll probably go to this line around 31.9, so that 3200 mark. So I'll just draw that target here, just because we still got these green zone boxes here for additional buys. So A to D, yeah, everything looks like it could be turning up on the 4 hours. The 3 hours kind of line up. We do need to see at least 1 or 2 more tickers on the 3 hour to see that. The 2 hour, we're seeing it already close to that 0 point, so it could run out of green momentum pretty quick right when it touches here and then just bounce back down. Bitcoin 3 short. What does that look like? Does that look like it can keep going up? Probably. Total cap really quick. We did have that head and shoulders here. We already tested this bottom channel. We're testing this red line. Kind of broke below this dotted line here. So that might be that main resistance before we can cross up to 3.4T again. But are we going to pass 3.4T? It's hard to say we will right now. We can get to it maybe one more time for the week before we hit some lower lows on Thursday and Friday. So as far as should I buy anything before lower lows, if I'm going to sell tomorrow or tonight, maybe I'd have to go for 10% minimum. So if into anything, or maybe XTZ, maybe comp. I sold bond yesterday at 24. Maybe I'll add into bond at 22 at that 10% dip. Ren is looking pretty good. Alright guys, good luck to you.